Antigravity A1 8K 360 Drone Review. Real FPV proof and immersive results tested. I remember landing a drone after what felt like a great flight, loading the footage, and staring at a perfectly framed shot of absolutely nothing interesting. Wrong angle, wrong moment, wrong everything. That quiet frustration hits differently when the light was perfect and the opportunity is gone. Sound familiar? Drop a comment if you've ever landed and immediately wished you could fly that whole session over again. The real sting isn't just bad footage. It's the mental weight of managing controller sticks, checking your phone screen, squinting through glare, and still missing the moment that mattered. It's exhausting in a way that sneaks up on you. There has to be a calmer, more instinctive way to fly and capture without constantly second-guessing every single movement from the ground. Then I discovered the Antigravity A1 8K 360 drone, and the whole experience shifted immediately. Don't just grab any 360 drone. Make sure it has native dual-lens 8KB capture with invisible drone stitching, so you never deal with missed angles or propeller-ruined footage again. The A1 records everything around it simultaneously all the time, so you fly freely and choose your frame later in post. That single idea changes everything about how you approach a flight session. You get immersive FPV vision goggles with head tracking, point-to-fly motion control that feels genuinely intuitive within a few flights, deep track subject following even while you're actively piloting, auto return with GPS precision, obstacle avoidance sensors, and up to 39 minutes of flight time with the Explorer Bundle's high-capacity battery. A travel creator I follow nearly missed a coastal cliff reveal shot because wind shifted mid-flight. Deep Track locked onto the subject anyway, and the 8KB reframe in post saved the entire sequence cleanly. Pure relief. The long-term workflow benefits are honestly where this gets even more interesting. Once the Antigravity A1 8K 360 drone becomes part of your regular workflow, something quietly clicks. Flights feel less reactive and more intentional. You stop chasing angles midair and start directing scenes with real creative confidence instead. A cinematography expert who reviewed the A1 described it as delivering the most immersive drone flying experience I've ever had, specifically calling out the ability to stop midair, look straight down, straight up, or directly behind the drone as if standing in the sky. That's not marketing language. That's a working filmmaker describing a real shift in how aerial storytelling feels. An FPV hobbyist noted the motion controller feels slightly unfamiliar at first, but becomes second nature after 2 or 3 flights, which honestly matches my own experience exactly. And an industry analyst confirmed the sub-250-gram design means simpler travel logistics in most regions, which removes a layer of stress most drone owners quietly deal with every trip. Yes, the goggles require a spotter nearby for safety and awareness. That's a real consideration worth planning for. But once your system is dialed in, the creative freedom is genuinely hard to walk away from. What would your footage look like if you never had to choose your angle before takeoff? The Antigravity A1 8K 360 drone is not just a clever concept. It is a practical, travel-ready, genuinely immersive creative system that removes friction from every stage of aerial filmmaking. Thousands of creators and recreational pilots are already using it daily and discovering what shooting without angle anxiety actually feels like. Results may vary depending on conditions and experience. If that kind of freedom sounds right for your workflow, the affiliate link is in the description. Go explore the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.